yet another interesting tutorial on your favorite YouTube channel, Jassen. And on today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to create a simple FM and AM radio station online that you can actually broadcast to your fans, and also use this particular medium to serve as maybe a channel where you can share information or idea to the general public. Okay, having said that, what's actually the essence of having this particular channel? You can have an online radio station where you will be playing your artist songs, you will run promotions, and as well create awareness to the general public about a particular program that you might be coming up with. Just imagine that you have up to 1,000 or 2,000 people streaming your online radio at the comfort of their houses. Now you know that a lot of people will be passing some adverts to you for you to advertise for them on your radio station, and this is going to serve as a medium of making money, or as a medium of income to yourself. Stay tuned, don't go away. Alright, you are welcome back. If you're just joining us, this is Jassen Tech, and I am your number one tutor, Captain J, aka Boss Eflex. Alright, now let's roll it. Now the first thing I would like you to understand is all you need is actually a device, either a laptop or a mobile phone. You can actually run it on it. Okay, so basically what you need is a web browser, a good internet connection, and you are boom, you're good to go. Also, you need a logo for your brand, okay, for your radio station actually. Now having gotten that, let's go into business. Okay, so all you need to do is to navigate to your browser. You can either use Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Safari, you can use any browser of your choice. Either UC browser, you can use any of it and it will work. Now when you launch your browser, the next thing you're going to do is to navigate to google.com. So you type google.com. okay, now your Google has been able to display our Google on our screen. Okay, now the next thing we're going to be doing is to type Zeno FM and search. Now from the list of searches, now you're going to click on the first link that appears on your search browser. Okay, you click on it and boom, you're on the environment. Remember I said you're going to search for Zeno FM, and this is actually Zeno FM official homepage. You can actually do this by going directly to their page at zeno.fm. okay, so you can as well come to this particular page by searching it on Google, because they have Google appearance. So once you're here, you can read through. They say the easiest way to create and listen to radio stations and podcasts. So imagine you don't want to actually create a radio station, but you want to create a podcast where you play vital information or vital music, different music to your listeners. Okay, you can actually use this particular platform to do that. As well as you can scroll down, they have a mobile, that's Android application, and also Apple app. Okay, so you can scroll down and see, you can see some list of radio station here, like radio station, and a lot of TV stations as well that are also converted into radio station. I'm very sure you know of this Radio Jamaica 94 FM that is based in the United States of America. You also have Fresh 105.9 FM Ibadan Live, which is also hosted in Ibadan. And we also have the RFI Monday in France, which is actually hosted from there. We have also the Spanish radio station and other radio stations here. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to create an account on this particular platform so that we can get started. Now mind you, you need an email address, you need a username, you also need a password, and your username and your email must be very unique, something that you know you wouldn't forget in a hurry. Okay, so once you have all these things, you need to click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to ask you for your first name. So here I'm going to write Doctor. Now the last name I'm going to write Cool. Now you have an email address, you type it here. Now I'm going to type my own email address, as you can see, and you're going to select a password. Make sure your password is very unique. Okay, so I'm going to pause this particular video and enter my password, confirm the password, and check that I am not a robot. Then we are going to continue. Alright, stay tuned, don't touch that dial. Alright, so once you enter your email address and everything correctly and you click on verify, it should be able to tell you that you need to verify your email address to activate your account. That means there is a link that was sent to your email address, that particular email address that you provided, which you need to follow and go and verify your account. So you can as well open a new tab and click on gmail.com and go to your account to activate your Zeno FM account. As you can see, we have a verify link here. I can actually click on this or copy this. I can as well click on this and take me straight. So either you click on this or you click on the other one, it will still work. Okay, so our account is created, okay, and it has been verified. So now the next thing we're going to be doing is to enter the company name. What's our company name? Okay, what I'm going to be working on is Dr. Cole Music World. Okay, so that is actually a radio station, a streaming radio station. So I'm going to write Dr. Cole Music World. Okay, so it's actually a radio station and it's based in Nigeria. So you select where your radio station is actually based. Now I'm going to click on create. Now if you have other services, you can actually add them later, or you can as well add them now and you can add them later if you want. So but I'm going to click on create. Boom. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is to enter our station name. Okay, our radio station name. So remember I told you need to have a unique name for your radio station in order to differentiate it from every other radio station around. Okay, so what we're going to be writing here is Dr. Cool Music World FM 88.8. So the reason why I'm using 88.8 is because 888 is a unique number to the owner of this radio station. So I can as well make it maybe Dr. Cool Music World. Okay, so like this, and I'm going to upload my logo. You click on this, you go to pictures, you go to Dr. Cool, and this is actually the picture I made available for this tutorial. Now they said maximum size should be 500 kilobyte. Alright, so I'm going back to this. I'll go to pictures, Dr. Cool, and when you check on this, our size is actually 700. You can see it's 769 kilobyte. So I'm going to reduce, click edit, then press Ctrl W and go back to this point here. I'll reduce this to 900 and click OK and save. We have a 600. You still go back and make this 7. Alright, okay, so I'll go back to my browser here, upload, click on it. Now the type of content, what type of content are we using here? Alright, so you're going to select the type of content, and in here general. Okay, when it is general, you can do anything you want to. Okay, so in here we are going to select, we are going with a professional internet radio or FM/AM, hotel, anyone you actually want to go with. Radio/music personality, you can select from the list, and as well media company. So we are going with professional internet radio only, and in here the organization size is only 5 to 10 people. The country is Nigeria. when you're selecting that, the time zone, you look for your own time zone. But basically in here we're going to be using West African +1, GMT +1, okay, as with Central West Africa, okay. So we're going to create. If there's any issue with this, basically you're going to see it, okay. So as you can see, our radio station is actually fully loaded, and it's telling us failed to load station stream, failed to load this and that. The reason is because we actually did not set anything at the moment, okay. So but by the time we're done setting everything, like our live broadcast and uploading our background and so on and so forth, we should be able to be completely done with our settings. So you can see the first thing you're going to do here, okay. So as you can see, we have 6 different things we're going to actually set up before our station will be ready for broadcast, okay. The first thing we're going to be doing is to upload our station background image. Alright, so basically, like I was saying, I said we have 6 different things to actually finish up, and the first thing is for us to upload our station background. And once you hit on this particular, as you can see, actually before that we have 14% of our settings completed, okay. So we are going to click on upload station background, and as you can see, this is actually how the background is going to be. So I'll just advise you to right click on this, then click on save image, and you can call this background, okay. Call this background, and you click on downloads, save it in there, okay. And you can actually open it on your browser, as you can see. Alright, so now the next thing you're going to be doing is you look for snippets, okay. Sniping tool, click on it, and you just highlight where the image falls, okay. Now click and save, call this beach, put it in the text in the downloads, save it, you close this, and you go back to your downloads. In here you look for that background. Where's the background? Actually this is it, BG. You click on edit. Once you click on edit, the first thing you need to put into consideration, you close this, you look at, they said minimum file size is 500 pixel, 500 by 500, okay. So you copy this, you go back to your editing tool, you click on Ctrl W. In here you type 500, or you go with here 500, okay. You click OK, and as you can see, this, you reduce it to 500. Fine. Now you save. So as you can see, our image is uploaded successfully, and if you scroll up, you can see the link here. It says zeno.fm/radio Dr. Cool MW Music World FM 88.8. So you can click on visit, and once you come to this place, you should be able to play the music actually. But I'm not going to do that because we don't have anything in the playlist. So I'll scroll down. In here is the station profile, okay. So I have a little write up here that I wrote, okay. I said it's actually a post, a general post that I love posting. Post it, scroll down, your city, Jalingo, language, English. And our English here is English, yes, okay. And you can actually look for others also. You look for another one. Go to Yoruba, Igbo. Okay, so so we only have space for 3. Okay, so Yoruba, and I'll close this in English. Let me actually support my place. Okay, so you can click on save. Now if you have a donation link where you want people to actually pay for a service, you impute your PayPal link here, or you can actually add your Cash App link here for donation. Okay, but if you don't have, you leave it blank. Okay, so here this is your website image. As if you're having a website, you open this, you select your image, and you can actually pass the name of the image, the website Tutor music, and the website URL. Let's see, actually have YouTube link here. Let's click save. Okay, the website URL must be a valid one. Alright, let's take one of the social media, let's take this, or let's go with this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it is successfully saved. Now if you have some social media like Facebook, this is it on Facebook, Instagram, you look for Instagram. Okay, this is it on Instagram. We have Snapchat, we have Tutor, we have Twitter. Now the next thing is YouTube. And this is it on YouTube. So we save. Alright, everything is saved. Announcement, if you have any announcement, actually you can put it the app. If you have it, you can actually use them. But since we don't have any, you can actually just ignore that, save by default. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is there's what we call auto DJ. This auto DJ gives you the ability to add music and play. Even if you're offline, you can still, people can play music on your radio station. So you click on auto DJ and you click on upload. Now you can upload up to 500 tracks or more on this. So but we are going to select just the little he has. You click on music and you locate this folder. Alright, now in here we're going to upload all this music. Okay, so I'm going to click upload. I've highlighted all of them, and as you can see, it is actually 8 tracks out of 5. So as you can see, I'm going to upload it now. Okay, so this is it. Once you see all these things, you can browse, clear if you want to clear any of it, but I'm going to upload, so I'll click on upload. Okay, so uploading. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and come back once the upload is completed. Okay, so as you can see, all the music has been uploaded successfully, and you're going to click on save to playlist. So once you click on save to playlist, now everything is done. Now what you need to do again is click on shuffle playlist, and you click on all, and you click save and restart playlist. And once you click on save and restart playlist, if you go back to the URL where you created your radio station, you refresh it, and now you can listen to your song actually playing on the radio station live and direct. Good. So that is actually how to create an online radio station for both FM and AM live on your computer or on your tablet or even on your mobile device, be it Android or iOS. Okay, so you can actually add more music from here. This is where you're going to click. You can see upload. You can actually upload it here. Then if you have any live show that you actually want to broadcast, you click on shows. Then you can actually search for any show and add it up here. If you don't have any show, you can add show. Okay, so that's actually how to create a radio station online. Very easy. So this particular steps I've actually told you is also applicable to podcast. Okay, you can actually use it also to run your podcast. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the video and share it with your loved ones, and I will come back again next week Saturday with another interesting tutorial. It's going to boost your brain. It's going to make you wow to your screen as you watch these mind-blowing tutorials. Thank you. I remain your number one tutor, Captain J.